To one and all present here. Now I am explaining to electrostatic in first unit of applied physics. Electrostatic. Electrostatic it means of two part, electro and static. Electro is means of charge, static is means of at rest. The charge at the rest position is called electrostatic. Electrostatic is the branch of physics that studies the electric charge at rest position. We are talking about electric field, concisely electric potential. With basic principle of electrostatic, the phenomenon arises from the force that electric charge extend on each other and are described by Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law is nothing but force. Force is attraction and repulsion. Although charge exchange happen whenever any two surfaces contact and separated, the effect of charge exchange are usually only noticed by one. At least one of the surface has a high resistance to electrical flow. Another topic is charge. What is charge? Charge is the property of material due to it exact a force. Charge is depending upon the electric and magnetic field. Then electric field and magnetic field of the fundamental property of body which it can produce an experience of electric and magnetic field. Charge is made up of atom. Atom is consist of proton, neutron and electron. Proton is the positive charge, electron is the negative charge. Neutron is no charge, it's a neutral charge. Number of number of protons and number of equal to number of electrons is called atom. Atom is also electrically neutral charges and net charges. The concept of charge is given and the basic of electrons only, like four types of electric charges on conduction, on induction, insulator and semiconductor. Conduction charges is easily transferred to conduction. Induction charges influence transfer of the charges or polarization of charges. Insulator does not transfer to easily, is called insulator. Inhibit charges transfer of semiconductor. Property of charges. There are two types of charges. One is positive charge and another one is negative charge. Positive charge is loss of electrons, is known as protons. Negative charge is gain of electron, is known as electrons. The mutual signs of force is attraction and repulsion depending upon the mutual signs is called like charges. Like charges positive and positive charges or negative and negative charge is the repel charges. Unlike charges positive and negative, the opposite reaction is called attraction. The famous law of Newton's third law. The force on due to charge is negative of native form is called unlike charges. The force, the property of charges, conservation of charges and quantization of charges. The sum of total charge remains constant whenever charge takes place in another system. Quantization of charges, particles or body is always an integral of multiple of fundamental. The unit of charge is E. Q equal to Ne. N is the number of electrons. E equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Charge is always associated with mass. Charge cannot exist without mass. Though mass can exist with charge. Charge is a scalar quantity. The charge SI unit of charge is coulombs. A charge at rest position is produced on the electric field. The direction of force is along the line of joining the two charges. It is on the ring out of multiplication constant k. The originally absolutely orbital because the form of the law does not depending upon the charge is the position. An accelerated charge emits electromagnetic radiation. This radiation is called line of force. Next topic is Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law is the magnitude of electrostatic force of attraction or repulsion between 2-point charges is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of charge and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So the first law, the force F directly proportional Q1 and Q2. The force is directly proportional to the product of the charges. So product of the charges Q1 Q2. Q1 Q2 it means of coulombs. Q1 and Q2 it means of charges. The SI unit of coulombs. F is the electric force. The SI unit of newtons. The second law, the force of inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So F inversely proportional 1 by 2 1 by t squared. D is the distance or R is the distance of charge object in SI unit of meters. So F1 equal to Q1 and Q2. F2 equal to 1 by R square. So F equal to K into Q1 and Q2 by R square. K is the constant of force. So epsilon by K equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught. Epsilon naught is the relative permeability. So F equal to Q1 Q2 divided by 4 by epsilon naught R square. R is the distance of two charges. So F equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught or epsilon r. Epsilon r is the relative permeability. So Q1 Q2 divided by R squared. So K value K equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9. 9 into 10 to the power of 9 Q1 Q2 divided by D squared in newtons in air or vacuum value. If F equal to Q into 10 to the power of minus 9 Q1 Q2 divided by epsilon r and D squared in newtons in a medium value. Epsilon r is the relative permeability. That's all. Thank you.